all are here, and you all must be wondering what I'm going to do today, right? So I'm going to share some recipes with you all. No, don't take tension that am I going to share some Dalgona coffee or something recipe for coffee making. No, not at all. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू शेयर एनीथिंग. आपको फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन में बहुत सी रेसिपीज मिल गई होंगी डालगोना कॉफ़ी की, कॉफ़ी बनाते हुए. सो दिस टाइम नथिंग अबाउट डालगोना और समथिंग. Today, I wanted to tell you a small story that the other day I was having coffee, and I was in a very pampering kind of a mood, and I wanted to go to a parlor and have a facial skincare, you can say. But you know that lockdown is there and we can't step out of our homes unnecessarily. So I thought of why not mixing coffee and facial together and present it in front of you all so that you can see how coffee can do a magic or wonders on your skin. So I will be sharing some recipes, or you can say some techniques or methods. Basically these all are recipes only. So I'll be having scrub, cleanser, pack, and I'll be showing you how I'm making also. So without further ado, let's get into the coffeelicious video.
So guys, the first step of this facial is cleansing your face. You need to take 1 tablespoon of coffee in a bowl and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it and apply it on your face with your fingers. It removes the dirt and increases the effectiveness of the next steps. Massage it in a circular motion. Use very light pressure and clean it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. It will help your face to clean it very nicely, and it will really affect the further steps. It will make your face more beautiful and clean. Wash your face or clean your face with a wet cloth. Oh guys, now the second step is steaming your face very carefully for 1 or 2 minutes. It helps the effectiveness of scrubbing your face further. The third step is scrubbing your face. You need to take 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coffee, and few drops of rose water. You need to mix it and apply it on your face gently with your fingertips. Scrub your face. The benefit of scrubbing is it removes dirt from the skin, removes dark spots, removes dead skin cells, and helps in skin brightening. Scrub your face very gently with your fingertips. Don't use palm on your face while scrubbing. Wash your face or clean your face with a wet cloth. So guys, the last step is brightening pack. You need to take 1 or 2 tablespoons of coffee, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour or atta, 1 or 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of rose water, या आप 5 to 6 drops of rose water भी ले सकते हैं, जितनी आपको consistency चाहिए है. Now guys, the method of applying it on your face is that apply it evenly on your face, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with water. The benefits of this brightening pack is that gives you tan free skin. हाँ, आपका tan जो भी आपके फेस में है वो चला जाएगा. Helps in skin brightening, gives you healthy glow on your face, removes your dark spots और dark circles. पिंपल के मार्क्स भी आपको चले जाएंगे ये वाला पैक यूज करने के बाद. You need to wash your face when your pack is completely dried. Wash your face with cold or normal water.
Guys, my coffee facial regime is completed. You all must have seen step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4, and you all must be seeing that how my skin is clear and clean, you can say, and literally I'm feeling very soft after doing all these steps. Guys, first of all I want to tell you that you all must have seen the steps, how I'm doing, what I'm doing. Please follow that accordingly. कभी कभी आप आगे पीछे कर देते हैं तो some might get affected by that, or some people might say that no, it is not working. But if you will do by step, then you will see the improvement in your skin. So this was all about my video. But if we are talking about coffee and we didn't mention a particular brand about that, so it would be an injustice. This video is not at all sponsored, because if I'm talking about any brand, some people might think that this video is sponsored, but this is not at all sponsored. मुझे ये ब्रांड वाकई में बहुत पसंद आया है, and I really wanted to share the products with you all. Some people must have understood that what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a beautiful range of M Caffeine. M Caffeine is pure coffee brand, I can say. These people have, the brand have introduced lots and lots of products, and the products are really very nice. The products which I'm having right now, मैं आपको एक एक करके बताऊंगी. These two products, this is you can say body scrub. This is M Caffeine, from M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Scrub. It has got coffee, glucose, cocoa. These ingredients are there, and it is really very natural. It won't harm your skin. And after doing the scrub, guys, they have introduced coffee body polishing oil. I have minis of these two and the larger of these. So this is M Caffeine body polishing oil. It works as oil and body lotion also. This is not at all sticky. You all have seen that I have used this much, and the scrub is also I have used a lot. So this really works on your skin. For all types of skin it works. Now this is for body care. Now this is serum. It is already finished. This is finished, and this is from M Caffeine Naked Raw Coffee Face Serum. Actually, I have used it, and I have seen changes on my face. How it has reduced my spots, acne spots, everything. So now this is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Under Eye Cream. This cream is amazing. It works wonderfully under your eyes. It literally reduces the dark circles under your eyes, and you will see the changes in very few weeks, or you can say few days. कोई लोग जल्दी समझ जाते हैं चेंजेस, कोई लोग बहुत देर बाद समझ आता है, बहुत दिन बाद. But guys, it will work. It is working for me, so I am assuring everyone is that yeah, it will work for your skin. So guys, this is all about my video. Please guys, subscribe my channel. It's very mandatory that you have to subscribe, because I am doing lots and lots of hard work for you all guys. I am literally putting efforts in my videos, and don't forget to like my videos, subscribe my channel again. If you didn't like the video, you are free to dislike it. And guys, comment section में comment किया करो, because your comments boost my confidence, and I get to know that what I am doing and how I am doing. So guys, bye, thank you so much, and please wear double mask. Don't step out of your home unnecessarily, and stay hydrated. I love you all.